Now that's a racer. Show it.
Shocks are right, buddy. Dialed in. Don't change a thing. Well, if it ain't Ben Graves, how's plus 40 treating you? You're looking pretty good.
Well, you're the one that's looking good out there, Patrick.
Well, it hadn't been easy. I can guarantee you that. But this old girl's ready to run.
Hey, Patrick, I really appreciate you letting us use your bike for this test today.
I told you about this, Patrick. Ben's got a new rider. He just needs to turn a few laps.
Who's this new rider?
So Mike tells me you've been racing overseas.
Yeah, I was born in the US, but I raced all over the world.
So what do you know about US motocross?
I watched on television.
You watch on television?
Yeah, on the Peacock. Coverage was excellent. You'll be surprised how much you can learn.
Boy, I don't know if you're ready for this.
Oh, come on, Ben. I paid a fortune to have this track prepped. We gotta give him some time.
Come on, Ben. Just give me a chance. I won't make you look like a fool.
You can ride it, but if you scratch it, I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Dang, that's faster than Patrick's time.
You can ride good, pal.
Thank you.
Now get your own bike and we'll see how you do in a crowd.